Hi, thanks for checking out TTA for Salesforce. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating how you can use APEX Code and SOQL queries alongside UI automation to validate and test different actions within your Salesforce instance. In this test case, what we're doing is we're finding a lead that we've created in a previous test case, and we're going to be validating some of that information on that lead as well. After we validated that that looks right, then we're going to be taking that lead and using Apex code to convert that lead into a contact. And then once that is created, we're going to be utilizing some SOQL code to verify that that converted successfully. And then after that, we're going to go find that contact using the UI and validate that that contact and all its information converted over successfully as well. Again, all these steps are using the pre-built TTA for Salesforce actions that are built into TTA for Salesforce. So for instance, our validate lead action, we're going to be able to pull in all of those fields from your TTA for Salesforce by reading in that metadata. And now we'll just go ahead and give this test case a run. So here we're searching for that lead. It's now validating some of the fields. And now the Apex code and the SOQL query is going to be running in the background right now. Now we're going to go search for that contact. And we're going to validate that the information was correct on that contact as well.